After protein synthesis, various modifications takes place. One of modification is protein folding. Post-translational modification described earlier. The three-dimensional configuration of protein is important for their biological functions. Three-dimensional configuration of protein is important for their biological functions. Vast majority of protein can attain correct conformation only through assistance of certain proteins referred to as chaperones. Chaperones are heat shock proteins, facilitate and favor the interaction on a polypeptide surface to finally give a specific configuration of proteins. Chaperones can reversibly bind to hydrophobic regions of protein and folding intermediates. These are all changes which takes place after protein synthesis. In protein folding, there is a role of chaperones. What is chaperones? Chaperones are heat shock proteins that facilitate and favor interaction on polypeptide surface to finally give a specific configuration of proteins. Chaperones can reversibly bind to hydrophobic regions of proteins and folding intermediates. Prevent formation of incorrect intermediate and prevent undesirable interaction with other proteins. Now, types of chaperones. Categorized into two major groups. HSP70 system and another is chaperone system. Now what happens when protein misfolding happens? This leads to disease. Failure of protein to fold properly leads to its rapid degradation. Cystic fibrosis is common autosomal recessive disease. What happens in cystic fibrosis? Cystic fibrosis with mutation result in altered protein CFTR, cystic fibrosis transmembrane conduction regulator protein synthesis. Mutated CFTR cannot fold properly. Also not being able to target glycosylated or transported. So here the mutation takes place in CFTR protein, so cannot fold properly and not being able to get glycosylated or transported. So this all leads to disease, cystic fibrosis. Ultimately, CFTR gets degraded. Term prion is used collectively to cellular accumulation of aggregates of misfolded proteins or partially degraded products. What is prion? Prion is used collectively to cellular accumulation of aggregates of misfolded proteins or partially degraded product. Prions exhibit characteristics of viral or microbial pathogens and have been implicated in many neurological diseases. Prions behaves like viral or microbial pathogens and causative agent for many neurological diseases. For examples of neurological disease related with prions: mad cow disease, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, Alzheimer's disease, and Huntington's disease. It is now recognized that prion disease are protein conformation disease. After protein folding, now protein targeting. Why protein targeting needed? Proteins synthesized in translation have to reach their destination to exhibit their biological activities. This is carried out by a process called protein targeting. Proteins move from one compartment to another by multiple mechanisms. Simply, protein synthesized in cytosol, it has to reach other sites. This all happens through protein targeting. So, protein move from one compartment to another by multiple mechanisms. What are mechanisms? Protein transport from endoplasmic reticulum through Golgi apparatus and beyond uses carrier vesicles. Protein transport from endoplasmic reticulum through Golgi apparatus and beyond uses carrier vesicles. Only the correctly folded proteins are recognized as cargo for transport. Protein targeting and post-translational modification occur in a well-coordinated manner. Now, protein targeting to mitochondria. Most of the proteins of mitochondria are synthesized in cytosol, and their transport to mitochondria is a complex process. One protein, namely mitochondrial matrix targeting signal involved in protein targeting, has been identified. Mitochondrial matrix targeting signal involved in protein has been identified. This protein can recognize mitochondrial receptor and transport certain proteins from cytosol to mitochondria. This is an energy-dependent process. Here again, transfold of unfolded protein, often facilitated by chaperones. Mitochondria of a sperm cell don't enter ovum during fertilization. Therefore, mitochondrial DNA is inherited from the mother. Mitochondrial DNA is subjected to high rate of mutations that cause inherited defect in oxidative phosphorylations. Examples: certain mitochondrial myopathy and hereditary optic neuropathies. Latter is mostly found in males and characterized by blindness due to loss of central vision as a result of neuroretinal degeneration. In single base mutation, amino acid histidine in place of arginine incorporated to enzyme NADH coenzyme CoQ reductase. Now mitochondrial DNA transcription and translation. Mitochondrial DNA has a structural and functional resemblance with that of prokaryotic DNA. Mitochondrial DNA is circular in nature, has about 16,000 nucleotide bases. A vast majority of structural and functional proteins of mitochondria are synthesized in cytosol. However, certain proteins, around 30, most of them being component of electron transport chain, is synthesized in mitochondria. Transcription takes place in mitochondria, leading to synthesis of messenger RNA, transfer RNA. Transcription is followed by translation, resulting in protein synthesis.